YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this flamethrower. Well, this is part 1, so I'm just going to show you this bit. Okay, what you need to do is, what we're going to do is make this part. You know, what you need is 2 sheets, well, yeah, 2 sheets, about A4, and then you get this, and you cut it in about quarter, just quick. Okay, and then you get some tape, put it, well, rest it somewhere, but I have nowhere to rest it, so yeah. Yeah, so you get some tape, put it somewhere, but I'm putting it on my chin because I don't know why, it's just funny. Okay, then you just roll up the paper. Oh god. Then you roll up the big A4 sheet and you tape it at the top, the bottom, and then middle. Well, I was pointing to the bottom when I said middle, I didn't get that. Okay, then you just tape it where I told you, but I'm just taping it in the middle since I'm doing it quick. And then once you've got it like that, you get that sheet, get some more tape. I'll do the same thing with the tape, and then, yeah, and then roll it up. I'll get some tape, put it on your chin. That's what I do. Roll it up so that it's big like that, and then tape it. Ow. Yeah, tape it down there so that it's something like that. And then what you do is slot it in so that it's like that. Well, like a dart of a gun coming out at the end. That sounded wrong. Okay, then you just tape it on. Yeah, tape it on. So that it's about that long. And now, I'm going to show you how to make that bit. Now, what you need to do if you've made paper guns before is, if you've made pistol, you just make a pistol, except for turned upside down. So you get some of your leftovers, cut about, well, if it's about that big in a square, you cut it, and if it's like that, that's perfect. Okay, and what you do is fold it about, so it's about that big, then you fold it again so that you get a bit like that, so that you can hold it, rest it in your hand. And then if it's too big, you just cut it down to size so that it's the same size as that bit. I don't think mine turned out well. Yeah, it did. Thank goodness. Okay, and then you tape it, but I'm just taping it in the middle since I'm doing it quick. When I can find the end. Aha. Here's the tape. Okay, you just tape it down, and it should be something like that, so it's good enough size, but you need to tape it all over. So once you've done that, you've got to make the long bit, and what you do is get another piece of A4, cut it about halfway, no, quarter. Why not say half? I'll do like biggest hand ever. Okay, you cut it down there. You do the same as you did with that. Just quickly do it. Don't matter how big I do this because I'm doing it quick, but yours needs to be about the size of your hand. Well, with the smaller one, about half the size of your hand. So, oh, what? Oh, that turned out well. Okay, now, yeah, you just tape it all over again, but I'm doing it quick so that you tape it there and go all over. And then once you've done that, what you do is get one and put them like that, so that it makes like a mini pistol. When you do that, except from it'll be like the worst pistol ever. Be like a baby beginner. So what you do is you tape them together, but yeah, you tape them together so that it's like a pistol. But well, on my original flamethrower there's a trigger, but I won't be making it. But if you want to make it, just get some paper and roll it up. Okay, and once that's done, what you do is you put it at the end of your flame, well, top bit, about there. Why am I shaking so bad? I don't know. You get it, just tape it on so that it's put on like that, so it looks like it's a pistol on a big roll of paper. That's how I say it anyway. So it's something like that, and you can make it secure by taping out the back as well, but I'm doing it quick so anyway. Okay, then you get your leftover from when you've done that. You cut it about a quarter of that, well, half of it, and then you just make another handle what goes at the back, so it's something like the same handle what we just made on that one, and then you just cut it so that it's about the same size as that one, and then you just do the same technique as you did with that bit, and then oh god, you get your tape it in the three places, but I'm taping it in the middle, as I keep saying, quick. Then just tape it so that you get a handle, something like that, so that it's big enough for your hand. And then what you do is tape it at the end, so it's something like that. And let me just tape it. Now it's almost in the part 1. I'll do the gas tank in part 2. What's going to be, oh damn, just gave it away. I feel silly now. Okay, now we're going to make that bit where the fire actually comes out. Well, I'm going to have that hanky spanky. Right, then you cut about half of the paper. About, yeah, half the paper. Let's see. Then get your tape. Just put it anywhere, just like rest it on your chin. Okay, then you do it, well, make it sort of a shape like that, so that when you look down it's just like something like that, and then it's something like that. Okay, then you just tape it, and if it's too big like this one, cut about a quarter of it, about there, so then you just do that. Okay, and then it should be big enough just to rest on about there. So it'll be something like that. And let me just tape it all down. So something like that. So that's the end of part 1.